Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel.
I see you with your lips.
So for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning this room. This is the room that was meant to be the office in my house and it is a mess. I'm probably gonna title this like cleaning my room or something like that. It's not my room, it's the whole family's room, but I don't know what else to call like this video, so that's gonna be the title most likely unless I come up with something else. Probably won't though, but yeah, I'm going to be cleaning this room and it is actually nighttime right now, so that's why the lighting's kind of weird. So I guess I'm just gonna start cleaning this room and I'll set the camera up, and before I do that, I'll show you guys what the room looks like before. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is kind of embarrassing, but this is what the room is looking like. After I painted it, we kind of just started throwing stuff in here. Like we have like winter coats and backpacks and just a whole bunch of random stuff like shoes, the decorations for the room. Yeah, it's a mess and I'm finally gonna be cleaning it, which is nice. Like literally there's a bathing suit right there. Obviously this room still needs a lot of stuff, so it's not gonna be like a room transformation, but it's going to be cleaned, so that's going to be a lot of help in making this room get closer to what it's going to be. The first thing I'm going to be changing is the curtains because they're still the old curtains and I don't really like those. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try getting better lighting. A lamp in. There's a shadow now, but at least the lighting's not as fuzzy. I went to the store the other day and I bought this. I thought it was really cute, but I'm pretty sure I'm maybe returning it just because it doesn't go with the theme. You guys already have seen what curtains I chose out. I showed them like a month or two ago. I showed them a really long time ago, but. And then this one is also super pretty in my opinion. I've been wanting to go to IKEA, but I haven't been able to. We want to get a couch for this room because we don't want it to be a bedroom. We kind of want to be like an office lounge room, if that makes sense. I'm going to put the curtains on now. Ta-da! The curtains are done. So this is how they look. I actually really like them. You can see the glare. That glare is from the lamp I'm using, which is really bright. I think that looks pretty good. I like them a lot more. It's simple, and that's how I wanted this room to be, so I'm really happy with those. I think I'm gonna push the bookshelf against the wall, and that will be like one big step because it's literally in the middle of the room. So I'm gonna do that right now. Brought my trash bag. Now I'm gonna clean up all of this mess, and this is going to be a time lapse just because it'd take too long if it wasn't a time lapse. So yeah. I've cleaned up a bit. This is an update, but yeah, I didn't want the whole thing to be a time lapse at once. I'm gonna bring a box of decorations I took out from my room like a year ago, and I'm gonna bring it in here and use the decorations in here. But I'm gonna do that after I clean everything. Back to the time lapse. So I'm gonna start decorating. I'm going to hang up this because I keep stepping on it and I feel like everything's gonna fall off of it. But it's a dream catcher and I have a safety pin right here. And there's the dream catcher. I think it looks really pretty. I brought a box full of decorations that used to be in my room, so I'm going to show you guys what I brought. It's not much, but I have 2 signs. One says dream and one says believe. I dropped dream, but yeah, these are the signs. I brought this really cute plant. It's like a lavender plant. They're fake, obviously. I brought this little plant as well. It's kind of smushed, but it's really cute. Another one. Another one. And then I also brought this sign that says home. And the last thing I brought was a candle. It smells really good. It's cactus blossom. So now I'm going to put this all on the shelf for some decoration because it's looking very plain. Okay, so I'm all done cleaning this room, and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like all clean. And there's still a lot more to do to this room, but this is how it looks so far. So this is the finished room. As you guys can see, there's nothing on the floor anymore. We're going to be putting in wood floors, but yeah, there's carpet at the moment. But I'll show you guys more in depth. So this is how the curtains. These are the curtains. I really like them. I just think they're super cute and simple. I love this one because it has like little pom-poms on it. This we're actually going to be painting, I'm pretty sure, but it's like a little spot where you can sit, but it doesn't match at all, but pretty sure we're going to paint that. I have a dream catcher on the wall. I just hung that up. Sorry if the camera's shaky, I'm holding it with my hand. But then we have the main part of this room because there's not really anything else in here, but it is just it's a bookshelf. Also, I know that those don't have anything on them. I took them off when I was painting and I haven't bought new ones. So yeah, that's why those don't have anything on them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll go more in depth. Here we have the dream and then the believe signs, and then I put one of the little plants in the middle. I need something for this shelf, but for right now, I just put this little cactus jar. I have this little thing, it says be kind, and it just has little push pins in it because I took those out of the wall the other day. I have the little candle, and under that I have the home sign and then 2 of the plants. There was 3, so there's that one and then the 2 right here. Then down I have those 2 containers. That one has tissue paper, and then this one has things to like make flower arrangements in. Then we have this little photo. It actually is supposed to have a different photo. This is the photo it came with, but I don't have another photo right now, so it just has the photo that it came with. And then on the last one, like I said, it has tissue paper and then the little lavender plant that is fake. Then in this side, there's literally nothing but a clothing rack. So yeah, and then the lamp that I've been using for the lighting. So that was me cleaning this room, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!